and welcome to Content Studio 3.0. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use our image editor in our Social Composer. So let's go there and see it. So here at the Social Composer, let's click a social account and upload an image. So I'm going to post something from the media library itself and select an image. So I want this one. I'm going to select that and add media. So when I see the post here, I'm like, no, I don't like it. So I'm going to click the edit button right here, and we're going to go to the editor. This is what the editor looks like, and it really gives you the option to do a lot. So right here on the left, you can see the options. This is the crop option, so I can crop my image the way I want it. I can also change the aspect ratio according to something specific that I want. And this square doesn't fit my image, so I'm going to make it smaller. There we go. And other than that, I can also rotate my image. I can zoom my image as well. And if I don't like something, I can always undo it. If I click the fine-tune button, we've got a long list of things that I can change. So I want to, for example, change the brightness, change the contrast a little bit, add some saturation to it, and maybe give it a vignette, so a white one. All right, and then on the left, I will click the filter, and I'll be able to see the different filters that ContentStudio offers. So if I want, let's go with this one. I like this one. If I click the annotate button, I'll be able to actually write things. I'll be able to write things here. So this is my Sharpie. I can change the color of my Sharpie as well, and change the width of the marker itself. I can erase as well. I can create lines. I can also create arrows, and these arrows can have heads like on both ends if you want. So let me show you. Like for example, I want a solid circle here. This is what my arrow will look like. I can also add rectangles, and I can remove the filling from inside as well. So let me go here, remove the fill, and have an empty rectangle. If I want, I can also add ellipses as well, and of course text. So let me change the color of that to yellow. I want a monospaced, bold, italicized text in the size medium. So let me just add that here. I can change my text and confirm. So I can also align this in the center. I can flip it if I want. I can also copy it, but I don't want to copy it, so we're just going to delete that. I can also re-edit my text if I want, if I made some mistakes, right? All right. Other than that, you can also add a frame to your posts, change its color, and of course the size of the filter itself, right? And then other than that, we've got the ability to add stickers. So if you want, you can add a sticker to the posts. Like I'm going to add one right here. I can change its size, its opacity, sorry, and I can also change its size. I can rotate it if I want, and I can copy it as well. So this is the editor. I think that it's great. It really gives you the freedom to do whatever you want to your post according to what suits you best. And you should really try it out and see if it works for you. Whenever you're done with your post, you'll be able to see the preview right here. Yeah, so that's about it. When I want, I can post it away. And I'm done. See you in the next video.